In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Monday.com API key. Navigating through the intricacies of a platform as dynamic as Monday.com can indeed be a bit perplexing at times, especially when you're trying to access specific utilities like the API key. Whether you're a developer looking to integrate Monday.com with other applications or just curious about the inner workings of API keys, this tutorial will guide you through each step smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive in. First and foremost, let's start at the very beginning, which is the homepage of Monday.com. If you're already logged in, great. If not, take a moment to log in, as you'll need to access your profile to retrieve your API key. Once you're on the homepage, visually survey the top right corner of your screen. You're looking for your profile icon or picture, which is essentially the gateway to many settings and options, including the one we are interested in today. Once you've located and clicked on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear, revealing several options. Among these options, you want to find and select developers. This might seem a bit hidden at first, given it's not something that's frequently accessed by the average user. However, it's critical for accessing developer tools, one of which is the API key we seek. Upon clicking developers, you will be directed to a new page specifically designed for development settings and management. Here, you're one step closer to finding your API key. The next action you want to take on this page is to look for My Access tokens. This might be represented differently based on updates to the interface, but it generally remains in a location that's noticeable for those seeking API credentials. Clicking on My Access tokens will take you to a space within Monday.com where all your API keys are located. If you've previously created one or more API keys, they'll be listed here. If not, you might have to create a new one, but for the purposes of this tutorial, we're focusing on locating an existing API key. And there you have it. Your API key should now be displayed on your screen. It's a string of letters and numbers, often quite long, and it's what allows external applications to securely communicate with your Monday.com account. Remember, your API key is akin to a password. You should keep it secure and not share it indiscriminately, as it grants access to your Monday.com data. Before we conclude, here are a few additional tips to consider. If you're planning to use this API key for integration purposes, make sure you document which applications have access to this key. It's a good practice to regularly review and regenerate your API keys to maintain security. Also, if you run into any issues accessing your developers section or finding My Access tokens, the Monday.com Help Center and community forums are great resources for additional support. In essence, by following the steps we discussed, you've successfully navigated through the Monday.com interface to locate your API key. This small but mighty string of characters is your bridge to customizing and enhancing your Monday.com experience through integrations and development projects. Congratulations! You're now better equipped to embark on your development journey within Monday.com. Whether you're integrating with other tools, automating workflows, or creating something entirely new, your API key is the first step in connecting Monday.com to the vast world of applications and services out there. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to find your Monday.com API key. Take this knowledge and use it to push the boundaries of what you can achieve with Monday.com. Until next time, happy developing.